Hi everybody. In last lecture I have given some example for your homework purpose. Okay. First of all we will solve it, and after that we will go to the next point in a logarithm. Okay. So our first homework was prove that log of 4 to the base 3 multiplied by log of 5 to the base 4 multiplied by log of 6 to the base 5 multiplied log 7 to the base 6 multiplied log 8 to the base 7 multiplied log of 9 to the base 8 is equal to 2. Okay, we have to prove this. So for that we consider left side of a question. Here it is log of 4 to the base 3 multiplied log of 5 to the base 4 multiplied by log of 6 to the base 5 multiplied by log 7 to the base 6 multiplied log 8 to the base 7 multiplied by log 9 to the base 8. Okay, so after that we know that we have a formula which we have studied in this unit as log of m to the base a can be written as log of m to the base b upon log of m to the a to the base b. Okay, so log of m to the base b and log of a to the base b, which is equal to log of m to the base a. So we write this in this all log 4 to the base 3 or this in form of log of m to the base b. Here we consider b is equal to 10. Okay, or any base you can choose. Okay, so here it can be written as log of 4 to the base 3, it can be written as log of 4 to the base 10 upon log of 3 to the base 10 multiplied by log of 5 to the base 10 upon log of 4 to the base 10 multiplied by log of 6 to the base 10 divided by log of 5 to the base 10 multiplied by log of 7 to the base 10 divided by log of 6 to the base 10 multiplied by log of 8 to the base 10 divided by log of 7 to the base 10 multiplied by log of 9 to the base 10 divided by log of 8 to the base 10. Okay, so after that you can see that log of 4 to the base 10 will be cancelled here, log of 5 to the base 10 will be cancelled, log 6 to the base 10, log 10 to the, log 7 to the base 10 will be cancelled, log 8 to the base 10 will be cancelled. Now here it only remains log of 9 to the base 10 divided by log of 3 to the base 10. Okay, so log of 9 to the base 10 can be written as log of 9 can be written as 3 square to the base 10. Okay, and log of 3 to the base 10. Okay, so log of 3 square to the base 10. So here we use a formula log of m to the base a raised to n can be written as n log of m to the base a, and here a is 10, so it can be written as 2 log of 3 to the base 10, and here log of 3 to the base 10. Okay, so here again it will be cancelled because it is x upon x form, so here we get only 2, which is our RHS. Okay, so this is a proof of example number first. Now second example is of same type. We have given that prove that log of 2 to the base 3 multiplied by log of 3 to the base 4 multiplied log of 4 to the base 5 up to log of 15 to the base 16 is equal to prove. We have to prove that 1 upon 5. Okay, for this example we again use a formula. Consider first LHS is equal to log of 2 to the base 3 multiplied log 3 to the base 4 multiplied log 4 to the base 5 up to log of 15 to the base 16. Okay, again we use a rule log of m to the base a is equal to log of m to the base b divided by log of a to the base b. Okay, so here again it can be written as log of, or if we consider b is equal to 10, if we consider b is equal to 10, we can write log m to the base 10 divided by log of a to the base 10. As in this unit we have seen that it can be written as log m upon log a. When it base is 10, we directly write it as log m upon log a also. Okay, so by using this we can write it as log 2 upon log 3, which base is 10. Okay, log 3 upon log 4 multiplied log 4 upon log 5 multiplied up to here second last. Here if you write previous term of this, it will be log of, here it is 3 to the base 4, here it is 4 to the base 5. So this term will be log of, here write it here, log of 14 to the base 15. Okay, this term will be previous of this, log 15 to the base 16. So it can be written as log of 14 upon log 15 multiplied by log of 15 upon log 16. Okay, I think you will understand this process also, step also. Okay, I have written second last term of this right side. Now if you observe this, here log 3 will be cancelled, first term and second term numerator, here denominator and numerator will be same, log 4 will be cancelled to this, here log 5, after that it will be here in numerator, it will be cancelled. So here also log 14 is here and its previous terms denominator will be also same, so it will be cancelled to its previous denominator, log 15 will be cancelled to log 15. So here only remains log 2 upon first numerator and last denominator only, log 16. Okay, so log 2 upon log 16, here 16 is greater term than 2, so log 16 can be written in the form of 2 raised to. Now 2 raised to how many, it is 16, which is 2 raised to 4 is 16, so it can be written as log of 2 upon 4 log 2 by using formula log m to the base a raised to n is equal to n log of m to the base a. Okay, we have used this formula here, so log 2 will be cancelled and it's only remain 1 upon 4, which is our RHS. Okay, which is our required proof. Okay, now next example is find the value of x, where it is given that log 2 to the base e into log 625 to the base x is equal to log 16 to the base 10 into log 10 to the base e. Okay, this is our given example. Now in this example we first write what is given, here we write it again in our answer. So here given that log of 2 to the base e multiplied by log of 625 to the base x is equal to log of 16 to the base 10 multiplied by log of 10 to the base e. Okay, this is our given part. Now we take base term which are same as together. So here it can be written as, here it is multiply, after going to toward right side it will be divide form. Okay, so here on LHS it will be log of 625 to the base x is equal to RHS will be log 16 to the base 10 into log of 10 to the base e upon, here it is multiply, so on right it will be divide, log of 2 to the base e. Okay, now here it can be written as LHS will be as it is 625 to the base x, and here it is log of 16 to the base 10. This term can be written as we know the formula again, here log of m to the base a can be written as log of m to the base b upon log of a to the base b. Okay, here base is same. Okay, here base is same, we can, so that it can be written as m is 10 and b here a is 2, so here it can be written as log of, our numerator is 10 and base is 2, log 10 to the base 2. Okay, Now here it can be written as log of 625 can be written as 5 raised to 4 to the base x. Similarly, log of it can be written as 16 to the base 10, which means 2 raised to 4 to the base 10. Here log 10 to the base 2 can be written as 1 upon log of 2 to the base 10. It is by using formula log of a to the base b is equal to 1 upon log of b to the base a. Okay, so if we change the base, so it can be written in reciprocal form. So here 10, here we write at base place and 2 at as here, so it can be written as 1 upon log 2 to the base 10. Now it can be written as 4 log of 5 to the base x is equal to 4 log of 2 to the base 10 into upon log of 2 to the base 10. Okay, so it will be cancelled, only it here remains, r at right side will be 4 and this 4 on right will be divided, so it remains log 5 to the base x is equal to 4 upon 4, which is equal to 1, which means that log of 5 to the base x is equal to 1. So it will be possible only if x will be 5, that is log of 5 to the base 5 is equal to 1. Okay, log of 5 to the base 5 will be 1, so here x should be equal to 5. Okay, so as we have a rule, log of a to the base a is equal to 1, so we can write log of 5 to the base 5 is equal to 1, which means x is equal to 5. Okay, next example was solve log of x plus 1 minus log of x minus 1 is equal to 1. So this can be written as log of x plus 1 minus log x minus 1 can be used by using formula. It can be written as log x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 1. So here we write log of 10 is equal to 1, so it can be written as log of 10. Okay, so here it can log of x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to log 10, so that here it can be written as x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 10. We have to find x. Okay, so x plus 1 is equal to 10 into bracket x minus 1. So x plus 1 is equal to 10x minus 10. Okay, so we have multiplied. So x, take x terms and constant on one side. So here x plus 1 is equal to 10x minus 10 can be written as, now 10 we shift x on right side and constant on left side, so it will be 1 plus 10, here 1 is and minus 10 become plus 10 is equal to 10x minus x. So here it is 11 is equal to 9x, so we can write, or which implies that x is equal to 11 upon 9. Okay, which is our required solution. Okay, next example is, if a square plus b square is equal to 7ab, we have to prove that log of 1 upon 3 a plus b is equal to 1/2 log of a plus log of b. Okay, so here given part is a square plus b square is equal to 7ab, which is our given. Now add twice ab on both side, so that we get a square plus b square plus twice ab is equal to 7ab plus twice ab, which is equal to 9a into b. Okay, now here a square plus b square plus twice ab can be written as a plus b bracket square is equal to 9a into b. Okay, now here we can write it as, here it is 9, so it is 3 square and it is multiply on right side. If we shift it to left side, it can be written as in division form, so it can be written as a plus b upon 3 bracket square is equal to ab. okay, which means that a plus b bracket square upon 3 square is 9. Okay, now taking log on both side, we can write it as log of a plus b bracket upon 3 bracket square is equal to log of ab, which gives twice log of a plus b upon 3 is equal to log of a into b. Log of a into b can be written as log a plus log b. Okay, now here it 2 is multiply or RHS will be divided, and it can be written as log of 1 upon 3 into bracket a plus b can be written as, here 2 is multiply 1/2 log of a plus log of b. Okay, which is our required proof. Now last example was prove that a raised to log 1 to the base a plus 2 into log of 2 to the base a plus 2 into log of 3 to the base a plus so on up to 2 into log of n to the base a is equal to n factorial square. This was to prove. Okay, now in this case first term there it can be written as, or we have to consider given or LHS. LHS is a raised to log of 1 to the base a plus 2 into log of 2 to the base a plus 2 into log of 3 to the base a plus so on up to 2 into log of n to the base a. Okay, now here it can be written as, first term can be written as a raised to log of, so here we write in a rough calculation because it will increase steps. A raised log of 1 to the base a can be written as log of 1 square to the base a. Okay, which means that it is twice log of 1 to the base a. Okay, the value of both log 1 to the base a and twice log of 1 to the base a is same, so we replace log 1 to the base a by 2 log of 1 to the base a plus 2 log of 2 to the base a plus 2 log of 3 to the base a plus so on up to 2 log of n to the base a. Okay, now 2 is taken common out, so it can be written as 2 into bracket log of 1 to the base a plus log of 2 to the base a plus log of 3 to the base a plus so on log of n to the base a. Okay, now here it can be written as a raised to 2 into log of, here it is 1 plus log of 1 to the base a plus, we know the rule log of m into n is equal to log of m plus log n. Okay, log m plus log n. So by using this rule we can write here log of 1 into 2 into 3 into so on into n to the base a, which gives a into a raised to 2 log of n factorial to the base a. Okay, so it can be written as a raised to log of n factorial square to the base a. Okay, and we know a formula, a raised to log of n to the base a is equal to n. Okay, so here n is n factorial square, so it can be written as n factorial square. Okay, which is our required proof, which is our RHS. Okay, these are the examples which I have given for your exercise. Okay, see these examples carefully and use the formulas which are required and write it on bracket at the same step only. Okay, now next point is standard form of a decimal. Okay, any positive number k in decimal form is written in a form k is equal to m into 10 raised to p, where p is integer. Here given condition is that p should be integer and m is 1 less than equal to m less than equal to 10. This is called a standard form of k, or standard form of a decimal. Okay, for this we consider some examples related to this. First example, we consider express 35.7 in standard form of decimal. Standard form of decimal. Okay, now the standard form will be in the form m into 10 raised to p. Okay, now here given number is 35.7. we have a m value in between 1 and 10 only. Okay, so here we have to shift this point to the left side. Okay, when we are shifting the point to the left side, so here it will be 3.57. okay, so 3.57 is a value of m into, here one more term should be added in multiplication form, and it is 10 to the power. Now how many numbers we have shift here to the left side? Here only we shift one place. Okay, so it will be 10 raised to 1. So our standard form of 35.7 is 3.57 into 10 raised to 1. Okay, now if we have given an example, if we consider next example as 1239.54, okay, we have to write its standard form. So here we have to shift this point to left side. So here it can be written as 1.239. okay, here 1.23954. okay, write all digits after that 23954. okay, multiplied by 10 raised to, here when we are shifting toward left side, we have to add the power. Power will be our positive term. Okay, so we are shifting here to 3 places, 1, 2 and 3. so it will be 10 raised to 3. so it can be written as 1.23954 into 10 raised to 3, which is our standard form of a decimal of 1239.54. okay, you have to remember that when you are shifting toward left side, we are shifting point toward left, we have to take addition terms. Okay, the power will be our positive. Okay, now for next example, we see more example on this so that you can understand easily. Next example, it is 0.0029. okay, so now here it is not in between 1 to 10. so we here, if we shift toward the left, it will be 0 point only. Okay, here if we shift toward left, it is 0 point, and so here greater than 1 term is 2. okay, so in this example we have to shift the point toward right side. okay, and it can be written as, here greater than 1 value is 2 point, or greater than or equal to, we have to see greater than or equal to 1 value. Here it is 2, which is greater than 1, so 2.9. after that there is no term, so we write 2.9 into 10 raised to, and how many digit we are shifting the point? 1, 2 and 3, so it will be 10 raised to minus 3. okay, 2.9 into 10 raised to minus 3, or which also you can write it as 2.9 upon 1000. okay, 2.9 upon 1000. so here standard form is 2.9 into 10 raised to minus 3. okay, now if you consider an example 0.000037, now we have to find its standard form. So its standard form it can be written as, now after here also we have to shift point toward right side only. Okay, now here greater than 1 value is at 3, so it is 3.7. okay, 3.7. And how many digit we have shifting this point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it can be written as 3.7 into 10 raised to minus 6. Okay, now if we have given an example 73524. okay, so after that there is no term, so it here unit place is 4, 10 places 10, 100 places 5, 1000 places 3 and 10,000 places 7. okay, now this example, for this example we have to write in a form of standard form m into 10 raised to p. now, and here value of m should be lie in between 1 to 10. so here for this example you should write it as 7 point, because it will be lie between 1 to 10, 7 point, and remaining after that 3524. okay, multiplied by, here there is no point given, we can consider this, after this it is 0 0 0. okay, so we have to shift this point toward left side. okay, so we are shifting at this, so we are shifting how many places? 1, 2, 3 and 4 places, so it can be written as 10 raised to 4. okay, so 7.3524 can into 10 raised to 4 is our standard form. okay, in some example if we have given 5.34 into 10 raised to 3. okay, and we have to write it in a number in decimal form, so we have to write its decimal form. so to write decimal form it can be written as 534, and here it is 10 raised to 3. okay, and point is at after 5, so we have to go 3 points, 3 places after point, so it is 3, 4, and here no term is there, so you can add 0, and after that you have to give a point, so its decimal form is 5340. okay, 5340 is the decimal form of 5.34 into 10 raised to 3. okay, we see another example of this type only. if you consider 1.2056 into 10 raised to 3, so its decimal form can be written as, we have to shift point after 3 places, here it is 10 raised to 3, so write the number which we have given 12056 without point. now we will give a point after, here it is point in this standard form, so we have to shift toward its right, it is 10 raised to 3 given, so 1, 2 and 3, so it is after 5, so our answer is 1205.6. okay, if we have given an example with negative power, for example it is given by 1.2056 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 2. okay, now please first write the numbers as it is 12056 and point is here. okay, we have to shift how many digits places? 2 places. okay, so here it will be, here it is after 1, we have to shift toward its left side. okay, now it will be 1, here it is minus 2, so we have to consider only 2, it is 1, after that there is no term, so we have to add 0, and after it we have to give a point, and it is written as 0.012056. okay, 10 raised to minus 2. if it is given 1.30946 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 4. okay, so we will write it first number as it is 130946. after that we have to check where it is a point, here it is after 1 point, so here it is 10 raised to minus 4, we have to shift toward left, so it is first 1, after that it is 1, second, third and 4, after that you have to give a point. okay, so that it can be written as 0.000130946. It is our decimal form of this number. Okay, again I will give another more example of this type only. It is somehow I think it is you will get difficult, or you will be get jumbling at this stage. So we will take more example of this type. So if we consider 3.494500 into 10 raised to minus 4 or minus 6, if we consider, so here you can take 0. Raised to minus 6 is there, so we have to shift toward left side. So here if it is 6 given, write 5 zeros before that, 1 2 3 4 5, and after that write the total number 34950, okay, which is our decimal form. Okay, understood? You may directly write 0 point, and how many raised to minus 6 is given, write 5 zeros less than 1 2 3 4 5, and after that write whole number 349500. Okay, another example, if you consider it as 4.345 into 10 raised to minus 4 is given. Okay, so for this example you start from 0 point, and how many zeros after that you have to consider, less than 4 minus 1, it is 3. So we consider 3 zeros after point 0.000 and write the number as it is 4345, which is our decimal form, which is easy process to solve this type of an example. Okay, so for today we will stop here. Okay.